Hi guys, now we're in Brighton. You see that all the way over there? That's the London Pier, but it's burnt down. Yes, it's burnt down. And it's very foggy today. The seagulls are getting blown away. And also when we were coming to see if the London Pier now is open, we saw a burnt down hotel.
Yeah, that's right, guys. So basically, we're in a restaurant, not like a restaurant, but
buffet.
buffet.
So then you get food. There's different stalls of food, and then you order from it, and they bring your order up here. I ordered pizza. My brother ordered burger with garlic fries,
And I'm gonna have
also
a bite.
Sprite.
I'm gonna have a
Like
bite.
and subscribe.